Hello guys, welcome back to Gadget Gist, and in today's video I want to show you guys the latest laptop from BlackView. Now it is their first ever laptop actually, and it comes with an interesting features at an affordable price. BlackView is calling it the AceBook1. It has an aluminum alloy body which makes it very durable, unlike other laptops at this price point. I will reveal the price later. Now, even though it is made of aluminum, it doesn't attract fingerprint stains, which is cool. It is also lightweight and slim. For those of you who likes music, it comes with a dual box speakers, which is loud and clear. There are lots of ports on the AceBook1, also like 2 USB 3.0 port, a Type-C port, etc. Now, the display is a 14 inches Full HD panel with an amazing 84% screen-to-body ratio. It is big enough for consuming media and stuff. To the interesting part, the device is powered by the Intel Gemini N4120 processor with a 4GB DDR4 RAM and a 128GB SSD. This processor can handle your basic day-to-day tasks without issues, and it is running on Windows 10 Office. About the battery life, it is said to last 8 hours with video streaming and more than a day of screen on time. The battery capacity is 6000 mAh, and that's huge for a laptop at this price. This BlackView AceBook1 is priced at $390, but you can get it now with $110 off. See the link in the description of this video for more details. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. I'll see you guys next time.